Only specific, that is 10 digits. Not more less than. If I enter less than that, I should be getting error. If I enter more than that, I should be getting error. So here they asked text length. We have to get equal to them. Enter. Yeah, I'm already.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm gonna share the file now. In case if you have not logged in, I'm extremely sorry for that. I've given you 10 minutes. I've shared the file. Please refer. Today's topic will be your filtering, sorting, protection of sheet, and group and ungroup.
Ayub, can you share the
Sir,
file?
again send the file.
The file is
It's
not.
loading, ma'am. It's loading. Relax, relax, relax. Not yet received. I know that. Yeah, now you got it.
Okay, sir.
Have a look.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all. Okay. So today's topic will be sort, and then column, and then filtering, ungroup and group, and product sheet. So let's discuss one by one. When I'm discussing about the sorting part, when I'm discussing about the condition, okay, sorting part. So first thing, you need to know sort means ascending to descending. Okay, you're gonna fix it from A to Z or Z to A, which is called ascending to descending, or else sort descending to ascending. So which is known as A to Z or Z to A. If you have a number, it will be small to big, the large one, and large to small, in short. Clear on this? Okay, what is a shortcut key? In case if you need a shortcut keys. Shortcut keys are Alt plus means you need to use simultaneously, okay? Alt, then I'm just giving here A and then SA for ascending. This is the shortcut key. And for descending order, it will be SD. And for advanced level of sorting will be SS. These are the shortcut keys. If you want to make a note, you can make a note. It's up to you. So how many members know data validation shortcut keys? Good. Data validation shortcut key is Alt A D for data validation. So these are the shortcut keys are very important for you because day-to-day life you will be using these things. So please make a note of these things. Clear? Okay. Whenever you have a data, then you will be using sorting part. But what conditions you will be using? Suppose if you want to see the sequence wise, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At that time, you will be using sorting part. Okay, how it works? Let me explain you. For example, if I have your number, suppose 58, 30, 60, 90, 40. So if I want ascending to descending, smallest to largest, then I'll be using the shortcut key. Alt, you can see A for data, and then ascending means SA. Can you see that? So if I type SA, automatically I got 30, 40, 58, 60, 90. If I need the same thing, I'll just keep my cursor there, Alt ASD, descending. Got it? This is how it works. To align the data in a proper way, we're gonna use this sorting part. Clear? So first thing, you need to know which column you want to sort it. The requirements will be there. Suppose if I say I need city from alphabetic way. What do you mean by alphabetic? It is A to Z. So if I need the city to be converted into A to Z, do you see somewhere A, any city names contains A starting letter? No. After A, what should be there? B. Then after B, C. So it should align like that. For aligning, you can just keep your cursor below the city name, go to the data tab, and you can click on this A to Z. It will give you the sorting, or else shortcut key. This is the one shortcut key. Clear on this? So you can use anything, even for region if you need A to Z. You got it east, north, south, and west. Sequence wise. If I want value, smallest to lowest, smallest and highest, then here Z to A, which is largest to smallest, highest to lowest. It's going in the sequence wise, but select only the single cell. Okay. In case if you select this column and if you try to execute, this is what error you'll get. This is saying you whether you want to continue with single column or expand all the column. I want to expand this selection or continue with the current selection. I want to expand it. Then I have to click. According to this column, these all data will change. Got it? So don't select the entire column. Just select the cell. Select the cell which column you want to sort. Can you guys try it now? A review to every users, max to max 710 I'll be sharing. If you're joining within 710, I'll be sharing it definitely. If you're not joining 710, the next class onwards, I'll be sharing by end of the session. Or else you already have in XLR dashboard, you need to refer that. Clear? Thank you. Today is the last day which I'm sharing it again. From tomorrow onwards, you should be below 12:10, the last timing to join it. Okay, even though server issue, whatever the issue, you have to cross check. It's your call. Again and again, I'll not share it. Thank you. Clear? Okay, now there is a question. If you want to use advanced sorting is nothing but multiple columns. Multiple columns you need to sort at one go. That is called advanced sorting. So how you gonna use this advanced sorting? Let's see. For example, now I need to know in each region. For example, I have a region wise. Okay, region wise, I need each region from A to Z. And the value should be, amount should be highest to lowest, which means Z to A. For example, let's see here. In south or in any region. Now east, I have 3. Out of this east, which is the highest one among these 3?
47,868.
The second one. Is it in the first one? No, I need this east to be first. Then 47 should come second, then 39. The same thing applies for this value till here. First value will be 34, second value should be 27, third value should be 23. Clear on this? So it should be in the sequence. So at that time, you're gonna use advanced sorting. So you can just keep cursor anywhere you want. You have to click on this sort, and then you have here, just delete all the records, add level, drop down. First, you need to select the region A to Z. Then again, add the level, then amount Z to A, largest to smallest, and click OK. You're gonna get the output. Clear on this? So this is how advanced sorting will work. Can you guys cross check? Is it clear? Good. So let's move to the next topic. The next topic will be your column sort. So if you select this column sort, basically what it is saying you, they need to align with this concept. Okay, date should be first column, region should be second column, country third, department fourth, and amount 5. So how are you gonna keep it in a proper alignment? What do you think? How can we do this?
Advanced sorting.
So you have to copy this and you have to click on this. Again, insert the column, copy paste like this. Are you gonna do like this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it will take more time. Got it? When you're doing like this. First, you need to understand here which column belongs to which column. So for here, date is the first column. So I need to select date. Region is the second column. City is the third column. I need to refer like this manually, typing part. Fourth column and fifth column. Like this, I have to type the numbers. Once you type this number, you have to click on the data tab. You have to click on advanced sorting. And then you have to take this option as left to right. Okay, you need to sort left to right. Once you click left to right, it will select all the selection, whatever you have done. Which row it is? The row number 2. So if you drop down, you have row number 2, smallest to largest. Now you got the alignment. You'll get the hashtag, just remove that. So you got this way. Again, one more time I'm showing you, please have a look. So by default, it will be in this way. So date should be first. So you need to type manually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Once you type this, you have to go to the advanced sorting and then option sort left to right. And then you need to drop down this, select the row number 2. And then here you have to select largest to smallest. If you click OK, you will get it option. Okay. So you're getting highest to lowest, but I need what? Smallest to largest. Thank you. So I have to go back and I have to change here smallest to largest. Now I got the proper way. Date, region, city, department, amount. Same way it is working. Clear on this? Cross check.
I can't see row 2 in my sort list.
You have
Can you show that again?
option.
Sort left to right.
Yes, sort left to right. And then drop down this and check. If you have not mentioned the numbers, then it will not get selected.
Okay.
Sorry? Only today. From tomorrow, you have to be on time. Or else you have to refer dashboard. Choice is yours. Clear? Thank you. Now coming to the filter option here. Now, why do you require the filtering part? What is the reason behind this?
For grouping.
For grouping?
Select the value. And we have a large number of.
If you want to see some particular record.
Now, example. Okay, what is the shortcut key? We need to understand that also. So many users who have worked in Excel. Anyone? What is the shortcut key? What do you think?
Control S L.
Control Shift L. But you have to use two hands. Okay. Instead of that, you can use Alt A T. To filter the data or to unfilter the data, you can use this option. In short, to remove the filter and to add the filter, you can use this Alt A T. If I type in this table Alt AT, it will show you the filter. Filter means a drop-down list, which we have discussed yesterday. Okay. Based on that, whichever the country or city or amount you want to say, you can see that. For example, if you are taking the city and if you are dropping down, you can see sorting part, sort by color also, filtering the data, text filter, which is advanced level of filtering, and here the basic filter. So in basic filter, if I want to see only Bangalore and Mumbai data, so I need to remove this. I need to select Bangalore and Mumbai and click OK. So how many data you are seeing? Only Bangalore and Mumbai? But where do you have that, which you have mentioned there? Where it gone? I have mentioned some shortcut key, right? Where it is? So filter will hide your records. It will not delete your records. It will hide your records. Okay. If you remove the filter, then only you can see them. Got it? So basically what filter is doing, after 2, which row it is going? 10th row. After 10, it is going to 12. Till 12, after 12, 18. So you are filtering the data. So whatever you required, it will show you, it will display. Whatever you don't require, it will hide you. Hide the data. Clear on this? But never think it will delete the data. Okay. If you remove the filter, automatically you'll get it back. So most of the user think it will be, removed or deleted, but it is not. Clear? Can you guys cross check once? It is available here only. In the data tab, next to the sort, you have filter option. Reduce or how? Reduce. Do you guys have a remote?
Finish a selection of the table from city region. From city or from Mumbai. From first row or second column. First column or second column. So,
Sorry, ma'am.
excuse me, sir. Selection of from first column or second column. Maybe from city or from Mumbai.
Do whatever you want. Just click on the filter.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Automatically, you'll get the drop down. Select the
Okay.
drop down list of city.
Okay,
Select
sir.
Bangalore and Mumbai. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. If you want to clear the filter, you can clear from here also. Okay. Now next. If you want to filter the specific conditions, like wildcard contains, not contains, and all those things. For example, I need to only filter the data which contains M letter. How many cities you have? 3 cities? Yeah, Mumbai, Mangalore, and Mysore. So I need 3 cities over here. So you will be dropping here, text filter contains. What option? M letter. But instead of contains, you can use here which condition? Begin with M letter. And you can see here. So city which starts from M letter, you're getting this city names. Clear on this? Can you guys try it? Just drop down this text filter. Psychoshik. Mute. Yeah. Thank you. Now, if I need a random conditions, for example, I have 2 conditions now. Let's assume that I want to select apart from Mysore, Mangalore, and Mumbai, apart from these 3 cities, I need all the cities. Getting it? I don't want to select Mumbai, Mysore, and Mangalore. I don't want to select. So for that, I'm gonna filter it. And I'm just clicking on unselect like this or text. What do you have to use? Which condition? Does not contain. Are you sure? Even somewhere it will be M letter then? Begin. Begin in this if you are using. What condition you are using? Do you have anywhere? No, right? Does not?
Begin with.
Thank you. And which letter you need? M. If you are removing it. It will remove and it will give you only the cities which don't have M letter. Clear on this? So you are removing it. And in this, I need to know which city contains 10,000 record. Only 10,000 amount. So again, you will be drop downing this list amount and going here. And what option you gonna select? Equals to what value? 10,000. So do you see anything? Why? You should have, right? At least equals to I have given. How much it is? 10,000. Okay. In case if I remove this, do you see here 10,000? I should get this answer, right? At least. But I need only the city which contains 10,000 equals to, I'm just writing here 10,000 and I'm just clicking OK. Why it is not getting filtered? Cross check, please. Cross check. I want you guys to understand this.
Value
It
is
is
in
not getting filtered.
decimals?
Yes,
This value is in decimals?
just check it out, no?
And we select from the drop down.
No, I should not do that way.
Amount is for row, sir.
Why it is not getting filtered? The question number 1.
Amount is for row, sir. Row.
For?
Row.
Yes, but still no. Only this option I need to select.
So when we go to equals to,
Hmm.
and instead of typing, can we select the drop down?
You need to select this. Without selecting this, I can't get it. Okay, let's try it different way. If I want lesser than 5,000, okay, lesser than 5,000. Let's try to understand here. Lesser than or equals to 5,000, I'm typing. I'm getting it now. Yes or no? Then why it was not working for equals to 10,000? Question number 1. Now I can show you lesser than,
Or, so it is taking.
but I had it here, no ma'am. See, I have 10,000 at least. I should get at least one condition, right? One list.
Yeah, so when I chose or instead of and, it is giving me.
When you're choosing or, it is giving you
Filter.
no.
No?
No, we will not be using this. This is nowhere used here. See, I'm using only for this column. So this column should represent. What is the reason behind this? Yes. If you are using this 10,000 agreed, you are getting it. But when you are not using and you are typing it, why you are not getting? Question number 1, I have it. So in interviews, they ask you what will be the answer. Don't know, sir. Simply it came in the picture. Or why we need to use this, sir, when we have different option. You'll say like that?
Sir, I guess it is in text format.
You think it is in a text format. But
Yeah.
okay, let's go home. And what option you are seeing here? Custom. What do you mean by custom? Basically, it's more number format. If I use here currency or anything,
Yeah.
so it is changing. Now I need to change this currency into a more number format. And then custom I have to select, or which one options? Currency here. What option I have to select? The Indian currency, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just do that also. So I'm selecting the currency and I'm selecting India and click OK. I got the answer. Clear? Now let's
Yes.
see. If I drop down this number filter equals to, now if I type 10,000 here. Why? What
Yeah,
if
sir.
I did in front of you only everything? Okay, fine. Let me just change it into a normal. Let me just change this into a normal also for you guys. Clear? Exact 10,000. There is no numbers, decimal, nothing. Filter number format equals to 10,000. Now, why earlier it was not working? You should think this is your job. Data analysts are you, not me.
Due to rupee signal sign.
Because when I type lesser than 5,000, I got it, no? 2 records at least. There's a confusion. So this is the analyzing part you have to do. It's not my job. So should I give you the answer or no? No, right? You should see. You should analyze it. Why you were not getting? If I give the answer, there is no point of finding, doing R&D. Got it? So you need to understand these things. This is your job. So now here, apart from that, if you want to identify multiple columns, you can do it. For example, if I want to filter first region, I need region called South. I have selected. In South, I need only Bangalore, Mangalore, and Mysore. I don't need Chennai. So I got 3. In this, I need only accountings. So I have selected. So you're filtering your data. Now in this, if I need the amount, which is greater than 5,000. Is it working? See, I have used here greater than which option? Is it working now? So there are the conditions. You need to analyze the data. Why it is not working? What is the reason behind this? In case I have used all the different columns. You can use multiple columns also when you're filtering it. Because in real-time scenario, you will be having 15 columns and 1 lakh of data. It will not be only 350 or 100 or 20. You all know that. If you have a doubt, then for example, the next class which you're gonna learn is this data only. Let's take this data. Imagine you have almost, what is the row? 10,195. In this, I want to see only the region called South. Then first thing you're gonna filter the data, which is South. So you're gonna use here filter South. You got South. Now let's see how many records you're seeing. 10,080. Are you sure? The record is that much. Let me just show you that also. If I select only this record, what is actually the records? So you have filtered the records. Out of 10,000, you got only 1,620 records. Remember this. After that, if I want to see, let's assume that I want to see only, okay, US only you have. Chalo. If I want to see category called furniture. Now, let's see here. What is the data count now? What is the data count? So like this, they'll ask you to filter. They'll ask you randomly. Now, still I have not been to the value. I'll go there. Suppose if they ask you to filter out the data, which is date, how many days you are saying? The current year also you are saying? I need the complete current year. Then what you'll do? You'll unselect everything. You'll select 2024. And you got all the 2024 records. So how many records now you have? Starting how much you had? 10,095. Now? Makes difference? So like this, they require the data. And this data you will copy and you'll share to the user, to the client. This is how you're gonna work. With this data, you're gonna create a report or you can create some calculation. Got the point here? This is your real-time scenarios. You'll be working like this. So this is just an example. You'll not understand this. So that is the reason we have created a dummy data. This example. But why it is not working, you need to know. Basically, when you have a number format, will it work or not? You need to analyze. Keep it like this. Now the same concept again. Text, okay, South. And here I have removed Chennai. And here what option I have selected? Accounts. These two values. Number greater than what value it was? Is it working? Then why didn't you analyze earlier? Why didn't you analyze earlier? I gave you the option. No, I gave you the pause time there. 6,400 and 8,750 is also greater than 5,000. No one has responded for that. Why? So what you were doing? No focus. So you mean to say your lack of focusing or no concentration? Both the value is greater than. Then where were you guys at that moment? If I type here greater than, $8,000, then, so where were you? My question to everyone. Understanding the pattern is very important, then copying and pasting. Now you choose. It's just a basic thing. You need to analyze. And you want to become a DA, right? DA, DS, and BA. So you need to analyze each and every column, what I'm doing. My actions are very important for you. The same thing in real-time scenario, your manager will give you some condition or requirement. If you don't understand and if you do something else, will it good for you? What do you think? Is it good for you? You'll be in the organization or you'll be out of the organization? There is an important meeting in another half an hour. He'll ask you to filter the requirements. He'll give you some requirements. You done based on your understanding. And you take that report to him. Now, what he was requested you have not bought the same thing. What will be the next action? Think and let me know. What will be the next action? Give me the answer, guys. I need your answer now. What do you think? You'll be inside, you'll get warning. Okay, I'll give you options. Your boss will appreciate you. Okay. Your boss will screw you up and down. Your boss will give you a warning letter. Or directly he will terminate you. Because that is a critical condition. Within half an hour. Layoff will not come into the picture. Layoff means khudkushi karna, suicide case. Next. Warning only, no? First he'll screw you. Then he'll give you the warning sign. Then the last option, what he'll do? So what do you need to do? You need to understand or you need to talk with yourself or with your colleagues or with your team members. You need to understand, right? First requirement is understanding the concept, which you guys are not doing, which you guys are not following. There's one simple example I have given. So how you'll understand all the pattern, what I'm going to teach you? How you will understand? You'll go home and you'll refer the recording. Okay, chalo. How much time it takes to refer the recordings? Hardly 3 to 4 hours. Fast forwarding also, if you do 3 to 4 hours, it will take. Because you have to refer the recording. Then you have to come and you have to do. Then again, you get error. You go back and you check. That is a good deal or understanding here and doing a good deal. I'm giving you time, right? To practice, to understand, to explore yourself, what next can be done. Are you guys doing that? If you are done, you need to explore more. That is called thinking out of the box. From school days, we learn something. You know, what if this happens? What if that happens? What if I don't do my homework? Will my teacher will make me, out of the class or inside the class? The conditions are there, right? The same concept you are applying here also. What will happen next if I change the value? What will happen each and everything you need to understand. Got the point here? This is very important for me and for you. For me, it is done. Now, It's up to you. I'm good in understanding at least. At least the basic thing I'm good. Now you think, if your basics are not good, do you think your advanced level will be 100% cool? Shall at least 50% will be good? Do you think? Not even a 5%, you know? Not even a 5%. Because basics only you're not understanding. I want you guys to understand the most important thing. So that is the reason first 10 minutes you come, you sit, you recall everything. I give you a time to recall what you have done yesterday's topic, what you have covered it. If you have any queries, you can ask at that moment. Or else, yes, after 10 minutes also you can ask. I'll respond you. Okay. After that, we're going to start with the topic. Then based on the topic, I'm giving you a time to practice. In that time, you need to understand what next can be done. You need to try to explore. This is your job, guys. No one will teach you in real-time scenarios. Even if you go to office, no one. Do you think if your colleague will teach you or if your seniors will teach you? All the best. Do you think if your manager will teach you? Best of luck. I can say this much. But the fact is, they want to work for themselves, not for you. So why they'll help you? Getting the concept here? So you need to understand and you need to explore. If you're not getting, as a trainer, I'm here. You can ask me again. Got it? If you're not understanding in the same way, I can try to change the different pattern also to make you understand. Or I can show you the different set of data where you can understand. Or you create your own table and you do it. You still have a time. Got it? I hope I'm clear today. What day today is? Almost how many days we have completed Excel? How many days? When we started?
second week है sir.
We have started from
6.
4th or 11th? 6. 1, 2, 3. And 3 plus 5? 9, 10, 11. Today is 11th day. And we are still in the basics, you know. You should be in advanced level. If I start doing faster, no, you will cry now. Still for you guys, I'm quiet. From tomorrow onwards, I need on time. Am I clear on this? Whatever the topics you are learning, you have to complete it. If you have a doubt, you can ask at the end of the session. Already you have completed 11 days. You have only more 4 days. In 4 days, what and all topics you will cover? What and all topics you will cover? Nothing. Few topics you will miss it. Or I need to skip. Do you want me to skip? Then, which are important topic, it's from tomorrow onwards. And which I want you guys to be serious at least. These are topics, basic you can understand later also, not a big deal. These are not relevant to your real-time scenarios, not in interview at least. Real-time you'll be working, definitely. But not in interviews. So the next topic from tomorrow onwards, it will be hectic. Now you decide what you have to do, okay? Chalo. Now, coming to the next concept here. Whenever we want to do advanced filtering, which means I don't want to hide my records, all the records should be there, but next to this, I should get the specific record. For example, I need region called West to be shown here, to show here in this data. Is it clear? I should get this West region here. All the records of West region should export here. So how I can do it? Let's see. To get that answer, you have to use advanced filter. So next to the filter, you see advanced option. Here, I'm just clicking on this. But what exactly it is taking? It is taking my table information. So the entire table, it is taking from here to here. And it is capturing this. Once you select this, anything happen? Nothing. So you have to give the requirement. First, filter the data, the entire A to D column. Copy to another location. What is your condition? I have a condition of West region. The region West. I need to select. This is my criteria range. Copy where? I want to copy here in this selection. And I'm just clicking OK. I got all the information. Did it hide the data? No, we have just extracted only the west region. Got the point
Hello.
here?
Ayub, your voice is not clear.
Am I audible now? Others?
Yes.
The voice is clear?
Yes.
Thank you. One more time showing you guys. Please have a look.
Yes.
Sure. First, I'm copying region west and pasting here. Clear? First step is that. Then going to the data, selecting this table or only the selection, advanced filter. And here I'm just selecting filter the list. Automatically it filter all the data here. Copy to another location. Which location you need? You have to mention that. So I need to copy this location. But what is the condition you have to give? What is your condition here? Region west. You have to mention these three and then you have to click OK. You're gonna get the output. Can you guys try once? Two minutes I'm giving you here.
What to select before clicking on advanced filter? What did you select? The whole table?
Yeah, first I have copied this region and
Yeah.
west and I have pasted here. Then I have selected all the tables or single column, anything, single cell.
Okay. And criteria range, the whole table.
Automatically it will select the range, the first one. Criteria range will be your requirement, what you need it. Okay.
So the region and the west.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I hope we are clear. If you want, again, I can show you. Please have a look. Or if you want to do together, I need a response. See here, guys. First, copy this region west and paste it anywhere. Okay. Then you just select the data. Simple. If you want to select, you can select or you keep your cursor there. Data tab, advanced, automatically it will select and then copy to another location. What is your condition? You have to give that. You need to select criteria range. Then copy to another location where you want to copy. I want to copy here. Clear on this? Once you click OK, you will get the answer. Check it out.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, will you tell me, sir, as I know what how to we do advanced filter, but what is an advanced filter, sir?
Advanced means you're not filtering, hiding the data, no ma'am. You're extracting the information to cross check.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I hope this makes clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming to the next concept here. I want the region to be unique records. Which column I need? Region to get unique records, but somewhere else. To get this unique record, you need to select region column first. You have to go to the data tab and then advanced filtering. Here you will be selecting only the region column, as I said you. Okay, first you need to select the region column. There is no criteria over here. You just need to select the copy location because there is no condition. You just need what? Unique records. But where? You have to select the location. And you got it. So you have only 4 unique: west, north, south, and east. So like this, you have to click. So either you select or not, it's up to you. Click on advanced, copy to the other location, select the range, which range you need. I need from here till down. And then there is no criteria. There is no condition at all. Criteria in the sense, what is your condition? If you are not giving any conditions. And then copy to location. If you select that and click OK, you'll get the output. Clear on this? Just try once. I hope we are good here. There is another way to copy and paste. If you are not getting this, you just need to select the region column, copy it, paste here. And next to this, you have one more option. Once you paste here, you see here remove duplicates option. Can you see that? If you click on this, it will ask you which column. I need M column to be removed, the duplicates record. So it is removing and it is giving you the output. This is another way. So first copy the B column, select M and paste it there and go to here, remove duplicates. And then click OK on this and you're gonna get the output. Clear? Check it out.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
When I try the past advanced option, it is not working for me. It is showing like all the table. It is copying all the table.
Just
Can I
clear that and then you select the second, the region column.
See here, sir. You just go to advanced. Okay. Delete this list range.
Okay.
Select only the region. Then select the copy. And where you need to add it, just select that location and select unique records. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Click OK, you will get the output.
Thank you.
Are we good till here? Thank you. Now the next concept is group and ungroup. So basically, what is group and ungroup? So whenever you want to hide the columns or unhide the columns, you can use group and ungroup. And it is available from 2013, I guess. If you have lower version, then it will not work. These are the two conditions which you are seeing here. Okay, group and ungroup. But before that, you need to know how to hide the columns and rows. So if you are selecting from here to here, these 5 columns you want to hide. So right click and you have an option called hide. Can you see that? So if you want to unhide, again, you can select all the 6 columns, right click, unhide, and it will come up. Clear on this? So hide and unhide is this way. But if you want to group, then what is the differences? It is just an advanced level of hiding the part. If I click on group and if I select here, can you see that? Again, if I click on the plus sign, it will unhide. So it is a kind of hide or unhide option. Clear? So first hiding and unhiding is without doing this, selecting this column, right click and hide. If you want to unhide, select C column, shift I column, right click, unhide. Clear on this? Can you guys try once?
सर
Yes, please.
सर फिल्टर को दूसरे शीट में कैसे यानी यूज कर सकते हैं डेटा सोर्स को
You can't connect, ma'am. It is not possible.
सर सपोज अगर दूसरी शीट में टेबल अवेलेबल है और सेकंड शीट में हमें वो रिक्वायरमेंट मांग रहे हैं तो फिर कैसे करेंगे
फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं मैम फिल्टर का I hope we are clear with a group and ungroup. Even for the rows and column also you can do it. For example, if you want to do for the rows, you can select the rows here. You can select the rows like this. You can click on the group. It will give you the option. You can hide it or unhide. If you want to ungroup, you can just select the same range and unhide it. Okay, ungroup. That is how you can do it. Just for hiding, you can use this. Okay, you have something called subtotal here, right? So when you're gonna use it, so I can see here many cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Mysore. So first thing, listen carefully. I'm sorting the record. I'm sorting the record. Now in Bangalore, what is my total? If anyone asks you, what is the total of Bangalore? What you will do? You'll select like this manually and you'll select here and you'll show this. Is it fact? No, right? You need to give the calculation here itself. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna add one extra column, which means insert. Then you will do what? Equals to sum of these three. So this is which total? Bangalore total. So like this, if you have 10 or 15 cities, are you gonna do that? No, right? It will take more time. Tomorrow it may increase or decrease. No idea. So at that moment, there is an option called subtotal. Getting it? So what you can do with this subtotal, let me explain you here. First, always remember you need to sort ascending to descending. Which one? City column. You need to sort this. After sorting, just keep your cursor there. Subtotal, automatically it is selecting everything. Now, here which column you need? I need a column called which one? City. At the each change of city, which formula you need? Sum. Okay. Which one you need to sum? Total sales. And then click OK. Can you see that? So which is easy? This one is easy or that one is easy? Can you guys try once? First sort it, okay? Remember this. You need to sort the city A to Z. Then click on subtotal. Automatically it will get selected. Then you have to give this condition, what I have given here. City, sum, and total sales.
The group and group is gonna happen only when we select the range of selection.
Yes. If you're not selecting, it will not work.
So if I want D column, F column, H column, I don't want an E and
It will not work. No, it won't. So even in hide and unhide, first you select these three, then you hide, then you go with the next one. The same concept.
Excuse me, sir, in my ribbon, subtotal is not showing.
Based on the version, ma'am, I can't do anything.
Okay, sir.
If you see outline in there, if you don't find it, then I can't touch it out.
Okay, sir.
Fine, up to you. Okay. Take a break for 5 minutes. After the break, we're gonna start here again. Okay, now let's go to the next option, which is called your product sheet, product table, and product range. So first thing, please click on the product sheet. So do you see some values and all? Right? Here the values are showing, here also it is showing. And whatever the values you are seeing, the same value it is representing here also. For example, if one user come and he deletes this, and the blame goes to you, what do you do? You can't say which user, what and all, because you have shared with multiple files to multiple users. Okay, but by mistakenly he has deleted. Now you want to protect this all sheet. The entire sheet need to be protected. So at that time, what you're gonna use it? Please listen carefully. This may be used in real-time scenario. In Home tab, you have a condition called format. Yes, in this you see lock cell. Okay, by default, each and every single cell is logged in Excel by default. Okay, if you want to protect the sheet, you just need to click on protect sheet. You will click on this product sheet. What and all conditions you want to give, you can give to the user. If you don't want to give anything, by default, these two will be selected. You just type here the password. And now, if I try to delete, is it getting deleted? Earlier it was getting deleted, right? Now it is not. Just because what? You have protect the entire sheet. Already it is logged. Just you need to click on product sheet. Is it clear? And if you want to unprotect, you have to give the password. So you have to go here in the format in Home tab and you have product sheet. Can you guys try it? And give the password, which you can remember.
Ayub, will they be able to edit the sheet as well without password, or for that as well they will be requiring the password?
We will be requiring the password if you want to edit.
Okay.
Hello, Ayub.
Yes.
Can you explain the protect cell or range sheet?
I have not discussed that now.
Not discussed. Okay. Yeah.
Are we good till here? Thank you. Now, if you're protecting the entire sheet, it will only apply only one sheet. It will not go to the different sheet. In different sheet, you can do anything. For example, now in this sheet, I want to only protect the table. Okay, here I can write anything, but I should not modify this range. For that, what do you have to do? First, you need to select the entire table, the entire sheet. Okay, first condition is that. Then you will go here and you will use unlocking option. This is lock, which is you're seeing the border line. If you click here, it will get unlocked. Can you see that? It got unlocked now. After unlocking it, you need to select only this much range. the table. And then you will go here and you will lock the cell. First locking, then you will go here and you will protect the sheet. And then you're gonna give here password. Once you have given the password, now if I write here XLR, it is working. If I write Bangalore also, it's working. If I write here something called Imran, is it working? Okay, if I want to change the value, 50,000, is it working? Why? Because you have protected this range. The entire range is protected. Rest all wherever you can modify. Got it? So you can give access everywhere apart from this table. Clear on this? Again, I'm showing you the steps. First, you need to select the entire table with the help of Control A, format, and you have to use unlock this option. Okay, it will be like this. The border line. You should not see that border. So you have to click on this, unlock. Then come here and select this range and lock it. You should lock like this. After locking, you need to give protect sheet. Clear on this? Try it once.
Done, sir.
Good.
Done, sir. Sir, how to unlock the cell?
Unlock in the sense you have to click on this, ma'am, to unlock. If you click on that, it will get locked. If you click again on that, it will get unlocked.
Okay, sir.
Any questions? Anyone? See, first thing, I don't want to suppose example. Let's take here. Now the sheet is completely locked. Okay. Now the sheet is locked. First thing what we have to do, we have to unlock because I need only this area to be locked. So I'm unlocking it. Unlock. After unlocking, I'm selecting this range. And I'm clicking on lock option. After locking, I just need to give the protect sheet, the password. Now, if I write somewhere here XLR, it is working. If I type here XLR, is it working? That's it.
Somewhere its other options are not working except the format one. Like I won't be able to match.
Because you have given the condition, no? As I said you, whenever you give here the password, you have multiple conditions there. See, what do you want to do? Do you want to format cell, format column, rows, each and everything they have given here? So it's up to you.
When I select this, for example, if I select this format cell, the format will work inside the cell as well or outside the cell.
Now let's see if I'm locking this. Okay. Still it is working. Now I can do something formatting, right? Even I can apply the conditional formatting outside. Got it? So we can use format option. Clear? So please save the file and close this window. This is my working copy, which I'm sharing now for your reference. Please join the class, offline students, in case if you're out. In case if you guys are log out, please join the class. I've shared one more file, which is working file. Please refer that and open the file. Now from here onwards, again formula starts. Now only 8 formulas you have, which you have to complete. After that, no formulas. So how many formulas you have learned till now?
84.
Exact formulas? 84 in this class. Sure?
Yes, sir. 80 formulas.
Anyone else? Good. So no discussion. Only these many formulas I'll be teaching, then no formulas. So one, then there is no point of teaching the formulas, right? If we don't know. Is it really necessary? You know, in interview questions, these all formulas will come now, which is called match, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index. Then you have offset, it may come. This is optional, but it may come. Then after that, they'll ask you lookup value. And then they'll ask you your, XLOOKUP. They may ask you these things. These 3 are optional, but still they may ask. So at least these 4 values are very important. And add to this, you have again indirect, which you have done yesterday. This may come across in a rare cases, but these 4 are mandatory. These are the last formulas which you have it. After this, no formula. No, not 4. I'll take everything. By tomorrow, you'll be winding up the formulas. Then next day, pivot table. Then Power Query and VBA. Done with the class. Simple. So you have all the next topics. Only these formulas are important now. These 4. When you're gonna use match. Okay. They have clearly mentioned the definition over here. Can you please read yourself and explain me what exactly match means? If anyone asks you, what is match? Match is Excel function used to locate the position. No, I need your definition. How you understand. Not the ChatGPT answers. Okay. I'm waiting. You have still 1 minute.
It's something when we have a match value. For example, I want to find out 28 from this table. I'll fix that number and I'll write the match from the row.
Thank you. So in case if you want to match any, or if you want to find any data from a different table, first thing you need to understand from a different table. Okay, not from the same table. So for example, here they have clearly mentioned, you have a table here or you have a column. Okay, from this, they need to find out the location, which means position number of page. So they have given the serial number. So you have row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position is page. If you are adding the column header, then it will be sixth position. To find the position number, you're gonna use match function, okay, to locate whether you have it or not. If you don't find it, you will get #NA, not available or not applicable. Clear on this? So basically what will happen here is, let's assume this. I'll just give you one simple scenario. City, Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai, and you have here Mumbai, Pune. Okay, you have only these many cities. Now I want to find the position number of Chennai. So the table is starting from where? From city. The table is starting. This is actually a column header. The best practice is always refer the column header. Always refer. Okay. Now in this, if you want to identify the position number of Chennai. So if I type here 1 in city, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this only you will be keeping the numbers? No, right? Because if you have lakhs of data, you can't keep it. You can't type. So at that time, you're gonna use match formula to find the position number. Match. So here there is a condition. Lookup value, lookup array, and match type. So if you type here, lookup value is nothing but your Chennai. You're finding this value from where? From this table or from this column. Okay. And then exact match is what? 0. So you have to give 0 and close the bracket. So what is the position number you're getting? 4. If you type here Pune now, is it giving you the position number? If you type Bangalore, is it giving you? Right? Okay. If you type Mumbai, what it is giving you? Why? You have Mumbai here, no? Huh? Yeah, please go ahead. Whatever it is. Say.
You have choose the other box cell.
No.
Other cell.
No. The cell is same. I didn't do anything with the cells. Anything else? The cell is also highlighting. See there. Anything else? Mumbai is here also. Mumbai is here also. Then why I'm getting #NA? One spelling mistake, you're gone. Do you see space here? If I remove the space now, getting the concept here? Even a space matters a lot. You will not identify, but you have to cross check. Okay. But how? Okay. Suppose you have a space and you're getting #NA. First, double click and check whether you have a space. If you don't identify that, then you have to type here len of this character. And what is the len of this character? How much? So which is wrong here? This one is wrong, right? Then you will check it and you will delete it. Now how much you got? So this is how you gonna identify. Clear on this? In case if I write here Surat, do you have Surat here? So that is the reason you are getting #NA. Clear on this? This is how match will work. For example, we have given one condition here itself. So let's move to the next column. Next table, please. Next sheet. Everyone.
Ayub, when you shared the file while I was downloading, my internet went. I was not interrupting you, but can you please send it?
No worries, no worries. I'll share it. Cool. I've shared it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now everyone, match will always work in a 2 level. One is column level and one is row level. Which one is column and which one is row? Guys, I need a response, please.
Sir, employee ID, employee name, salary.
Column header is known as column.
Column.
Row means records, the data. Whatever you see the data, that is called rows. Clear on this? Don't get confused again and again. Clear? Now coming to this point, I need to find the position number of employee name. What is my position number of employee name? Second position. I should get 2 here. How to get it? So we're gonna use here match, selection of the cell, and lookup value will be, array will be this much. Only the column. Got it? From C column to, which column I have selected? E column. So C to E I have selected, comma, exact match is what?
0.
0. Close the bracket and run. You got the position name? If you type here salary, it should change. Is it changing? So like this, you need to cross check. Can you guys try it?
So what is a exact match?
Match will give you the position number, ma'am.
No, she's asking 0.
Match.
What is 0?
I am asking about 0, sir. Last one.
0 is true. The exact match. Exact match in the sense, the position number should be same.
Okay.
Can we try the Sham name? Employee name?
Please. You're done with the first one. Go with the second one also.
Answer.
So I hope everyone got the Sham also. So you have to use match and selection of this, and the lookup value should be employee name from here to here. Have you guys tried till here like this? And then exact match will be what? 0. Close the bracket, enter. You got the answer. And the position number should be 8.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, sir.
If in case Sam repeats twice, how it will be?
So first it will give you first sum. Suppose if you have here in the place of 3. So it will give you third position. It will not give you the second position. First come first. Okay.
Okay.
But if you need the second one, we'll discuss later. Any questions here? Anyone? See, when you're referring to the row, which column you're referring, you need to understand. So I'm referring to the column name. So I need to select only this much. Whenever you're referring to the column headers, you need to select only the column header. Is it clear? Any questions? Cool. Now coming to the next concept, which is called VLOOKUP. Can you guys move to the next page? Okay, what do you understand based on this? Nothing, sir. It's just a VLOOKUP.
Search vertically.
Okay. Basically, VLOOKUP is known for
Vertical.
vertical lookup. So what do you want to look up? You want to look up the data from a different table. Okay. If you want to extract any information, you're gonna use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, including match. Match will give you the position number, but we'll connect with this. For example, they have given one simple example here. So here, there is a company ID called 3 and we need a company name. So the formula is mentioned in this way. First is lookup value. And the second one is the table. You need to select the entire table or you need to select the 2 columns. Whichever you want, you can do it. Okay. Third option is which column you want to refer as a result column. The column number 2, because 2 is my second column company. And then exact match is known as false. Once you type this, you will get it. So you need to read the syntax also. For example, we have created one example here. So we are writing here VLOOKUP, lookup value. Your lookup value will be your company ID, which you are looking for. And table array will be entire table. And column index, what you are looking? Company. So you have to select this company. So 1 and second column you will type here. Column index number, it is saying. Index number in the sense number you have to give. Okay. So second column is your company. And then for exact match, what option you need to select? False. And close the bracket. You got the answer. If you change it here 4, are you getting Microsoft? If you change it to 9, are you getting Azure? So like this, you will get it. Clear on this? Can you guys try once? So why
What is the difference between VLOOKUP and match?
Match will give you the position number. This will extract the information, no?
Okay, okay.
If you are thinking about number 2, then it is in this way. Column 1 is ID, column 2 is company, 3 is product, 4 is type name, 5 is RAM, and 6 is euro. So now you can identify what is 2 here. Check it out, please. 3 పెడితే ప్రొడక్ట్ అవుతుంది, 4 పెడితే టైప్ నేమ్ వస్తుంది.
So this is not dynamic, no? Or
What?
is it dynamic?
I hope we are good. Still, any confusion? Any questions? Anyone, any confusions? All clear? Can I get the answer with this? Go ahead and do it. Sure. Cool. Thank you. So for the first answer, let's see. VLOOKUP value is employee ID. And then from this employee ID, which column I need to refer?
Column.
Column number 3, which is salary column. And exact match is false. Close the bracket and you got the answer. Let's see. Sham, employee ID is 55285. Yes, I got the right answer. Clear on this? So this one answer is right. Now let's understand the second one. If I'm using here VLOOKUP and selecting this and selecting the table from employee ID and giving the column number, what I should give?
3.
3. Thank you. 3. And then exact matches false. Am I getting the answer? Okay. In case if I'm giving 2 here, am I getting still? No. What is the reason behind this?
Because
VLOOKUP will start from wherever you have a condition. Your requirement is from where? Employee name. So your table should start from employee name and salary. VLOOKUP will never go to the left-hand side. It will not go. From left to right, it will go. From right to left, it will never ever go. Clear on this? Yes. So here, whenever you have an employee name, it will start the table from employee name. It will not start with employee ID. Based on the condition, you need to check. Here it was employee ID, so we have started from here. Here it is employee name. So we'll start our table from employee name. Clear? So let me just show you here the answer. Equals to VLOOKUP, Suresh. And here when I'm selecting employee name and salary, comma 2, exact match is false, close the bracket. You got the answer. So for Suresh, it is 44027. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you have no questions, cool. I'm waiting. Any questions? Clear? Can I get the answer for the next page? Okay, first try to understand the question. Wait here. Now, first thing, here the question is very simple. We have a full name called Mahesh Babu. Do we have anywhere here Mahesh Babu?
No.
The first thing you need to add one extra column. So that is called herbal column. You're gonna add one extra column And to combine first name and last name, which formula should we use? You can use any
Concat.
formula.
Concatenate.
Concatenate, text join, concat. Yeah, and even AND operator you can use. So here we're gonna use concatenate, first name, and giving a space and last name. Now what is this is called? Full name. And then you can just drag it towards down. And now, if you want to extract, we look up value, and from full name, you're gonna select. And which column you need to select now? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, exact matches, false. Enter. You got the answer? So Mahesh Babu's salary is 45. In case if I give any other name, Uday Shetty. Am I getting 65? So this is how it's gonna work. Can you guys cross check? So first you need to add the column, extra column, which is known as helper column.
Ayub,
Yes, please.
can you please give a real-time example for this? Suppose if you'll get an Excel sheet wherein we'll have this kind of scenario.
We'll discuss that. Okay.
Uh,
Later classes we'll discuss. Definitely.
okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Done till here? Okay. Now, the last topic of the day, which is the advanced level, which is known as VLOOKUP with match. Okay, you guys know VLOOKUP and match for condition? Can I get the answer for these two? The below one. I need the answer for these things. Get me the answer, please. Get me the answer for Bunny and John. So I need these two answers for the typing. Got the answer? The position number of Jan and the sales of Bunny for the month of Jan. To find out the Jan position number, which formula we're gonna use? Match. So we're gonna select the lookup value as Jan, and we're gonna select here the column header, and then exact matches 0. So which is the position number you're getting? Number 2. So how you are extracting? It is a position number. So if you have done earlier match, you'll be understanding the same concept. We have just taken the column header. Now here, if I want VLOOKUP and bunny sale from the entire table and the column index is 2 and exact matches false, I got the bunny sale. Okay, for the month of Jan. So this is one condition I have given. But this is not a dynamic. Okay, how can you say it is not a dynamic? Let me explain you. For example, if I type here from bunny to Leo, am I getting it? But if I need here February sale, will I get the February sale? No, it is giving me only January sale. Can you see that? I need Feb sale or March sale. Then how can I do? The combination of these two are called your advanced level of formula. So here, instead of replacing from here, from this two, you will be using the formula called match. Instead of manually writing 2, you will fix this match formula there. That is called as advanced formula. We look up with match to get the dynamic output. So for example, let me just see here. We lookup value is bunny. And then we need to select the entire table. Then match, selection of Jan, and then column header, exact match, close the bracket. Then give a comma, false for the VLOOKUP match. And you got the output. If you change to Leo, are you getting the same output what you're getting here? If I change from Jan to Feb, what is the Feb Leo sale? 6786. Okay, if I change here, March sale, what is the sale? 12506. Okay, if I change here to Arman, let's see, what is the sale? 7565. It is working. This is how the dynamic works. So first what we have done, we have created a VLOOKUP. Instead of writing 2, I have used what condition? Match condition. That is called VLOOKUP with match for the dynamic output. Please make a note. Now you got to know. This is the moderate. Still I have not been speed. Only in moderate, you're getting full of heat. You know, the temperature is getting hot. If I go more than this advanced, then that is the reason I requested you guys to be on time, practice. All the things are very required. For you, almost 10 days, 2 days extra I took. Basically, I should complete by 8th day. And today is 10th day, 10th or 11th day. I have highlighted, you just need to observe. See here. If you want me to explain again, let me explain you in a clear picture. See, I need to get the dynamic information, which means whatever the name I select from here, it should give me the output for that name. Okay, and whichever the month I select, I should get the exact value. Getting it? To get this, I have to use VLOOKUP and match. And how it works? First, you have to extract the VLOOKUP information. And instead of giving 2, this 2 should be dynamic. 2 is what? Your month name. To change the month name, which option you're going to use? Match formula. So you will be replacing 2 with match formula. So here, VLOOKUP with match. That's it. A simple concept. If you practice these two, this is very easy. So first you need to understand these two. Got it? Make a note of this. Yes, today you have a time to practice. Again tomorrow advanced level. Then don't blame me. I'm clear on this. The whole day you have it now. Getting? If you have any questions, you can ask. Yes, today you're gonna practice this. And after practicing, if you have any doubts, you can ask tomorrow. Definitely. Regarding this, I'll explain you, don't worry. But I want you guys to practice. If you're not practicing, I'll skip this and I'll go to the next step. Simple. There's a good deal between you and me. No?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, regarding not this subject, sir. Actually, I joined your class. This is second time, sir. But I want to join your new batch, sir. I asked my salesperson also, and he said,
Recording is updated, ma'am, here. Let me just show you.
yeah.
If you go to my live classes, you'll be seeing here. Okay. And this is the one batch. It is already updated here. Day-wise topic is there. And you can just click on this and you can view it. You have to go to live
Yeah,
class.
sorry, sir. I'm not talking about recording, sir. Actually, I'm asking. I want to join your new batch, sir.
This is
Starting
only
class
new
and
batch,
all.
ma'am.
Sir, if I want to practice sections, practice document, then where I will get, sir?
You will get it from the XLR dashboard only, ma'am. You have here myself page. Data
Okay.
material will be there and you need to refer that.
Okay, sir. It
You will be
means
having here only. Already it is saved there. Okay.
okay. I thought, you're giving everyday class practice
No,
section, the
nothing. You will be
document.
having here. Day one only I explained that. My
Oh,
working sheet I'm giving it. Okay.
your working sheet also, sir, I'm talking about.
It is not there. My worksheet, you have to come to the class and you have to take it. That's it.
That one, sir. That's why I want to join your new batch, sir. There is any new batch you will start, sir?
No, ma'am. Right now we don't have any new batch, ma'am. If it is there, you can just check with your sales counselor.
I asked already, sir.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. We don't have it. For the time being, no update I got it. Okay.
Sir, can you please tell me if you don't mind when we'll start the next batch, ever?
No idea, ma'am. Even I didn't get any confirmation, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, I want to listen. I want these practice documents also, sir. That's why I want to listen in classes starting onwards. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, guys.
1 minute.
Are you?
That yesterday's file, no? Conditional formatting file. The for the practice.
I have shared it, no?
Have you shared it?
Yes, Yogita.
Ayub, you said at the end you will give a task or something.
First do this, no? Then definitely I will get it.
Okay, I thought today's class end you were talking about.
No. Tomorrow you have a hectic day. Be ready for that.
Just 1 minute.
Okay, Ayub.
Yes.
No, you haven't shared.
Conditional formatting, no.
Yeah, where is it?
Conditional formatting already shared. Just check it out.
It's not there. It's not there. Now you shared it.
Okay, you got it now.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. रोशनी मैडम, आप ना सेल्स काउंसलर से बात करके देखिए.
Already, yes, sir. Already asked, sir. He said, I will update you, something like that, sir.
हाँ, अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है ना. जब होगा तब बता देंगे हम लोग. ठीक है?
शुक्रिया,
Can
sir.
you share the file which is before that conditional format, that file?
Advanced format, ma?
Yeah, yes.
Before conditional formatting.
Yeah, that one. I don't know the name.
Hey, which one? Be clear.
Before the conditional format, there is other file, right? That file I want.
You're talking about this?
Text formulas, that one.
Next time onwards, get it from online dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Hmm.
जैसे कि सैम का परीक्षा नंबर आया, मतलब 2 सैम